Well, the temperature is starting to rise, and that means it's time to crank up the old air conditioner. But before you do, here are some things to help you stay comfortable, and even though we're in the repair business, avoid a service call. First, inspect the exterior fins of the unit. Make sure they're free from leaves, bugs, and grass clippings, because the dirtier they are, the harder your system has to work, and the more you'll pay for energy. And you'll almost certainly shorten the lifespan too, which means a big bill if it doesn't stay clean and serviced. A plain water hose and brush work just fine for cleaning the fins. Make sure to turn off the electrical supply first. Always make sure you do that. Second, though shade over the unit is a great idea, here's a good rule. Keep trees and shrubs at least 2 feet away from the unit. This will just help the airflow and keep it from getting dirty too quickly. Now third, make sure your air conditioning unit is sitting level. How do you do that? Get a level. They can get off balance from shifting soil, getting bumped, or if the fan blades are imbalanced. If your unit vibrates badly when turned on, that'll need professional rebalancing. So if you like your fingers, do not attempt this at home. Just give us a call or an email. So now, for inside your home, main thing, check these, your air filters, and change them about every summer month. A dirty filter means decreased airflow and potential problems for your entire system. We have filters that last much longer, but are only available to the trades if you're interested. We want to help you add years to your system's life and cut energy bills and keep your home more comfortable. Just give us a call or shoot us an email, okay? We're here to help you, your friends, and your neighbors anytime.